Greetings everybody, Brockable here, and welcome to a new Let's Play of Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. Foddy? You guys are probably wondering, why are you making a Let's Play about this? Well, you've probably seen this lots of times. It's basically a rage game where it tests over your limits, I guess. But I wanted to try this out myself because, again, I've noticed that some of the gameplays that are way too. I don't know if you can see. You can see my mouse cursor. Where they move the mouse way too. What's it called? Quick, but that's probably because of the game's the game. That's probably the point of the game. But anyway, I wanted to try this game out so I can see what's up with it because it looks pretty interesting. And since this is a rage game, I said, you know what? Let this be my first rage game, if I rage over it. Also, if you notice that something is different from my microphone, it's probably the same, but I gotta change it in front of me because it used to be on the side, so that's why you could hear it weird. So now it's in front of me. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, let's play. Oh, what happened? Ah! What happened? What? Oh. Hey, here I am. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, the sensitivity is horrible. Hold on. Mouse sensitivity. Show me. Oh, so I can. Oh, okay, so I can hide my cursor. Okay, next time. Okay. Whoa. Too fast. Let me put it here. Here, how about that? Alright. Apply. Boom. Okay. Whoa, okay. Oh. Yeah, I'm going over here. The heck is this? Oh, I die. Okay, well, why am I in this pot that witches use? Anyway. So, oh, I get it now. The controls are weird and different. Okay. Ah! Again, how did this guy get himself in this situation? Alright, well, the point of this is... Hey! Oh, okay. I see why people were raging at this game, because... Aha! 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 Woo! Woo! Oh! What am I doing? Okay, so I see why people rage at this game, cause no! Am I stuck? No. What am I doing? Okay, just slowly get close to it. Oh, okay. I got it. That's why people are raging in this game. Because you're not just controlling
more intense than starting over. If you deleted your homework the day before it was due, as I have, or if you left your wallet at home and you have to go back after spending an hour in the commute. If you won some money at the casino and then put all your winnings on red but it came up black. If you got your best shirt dry cleaned before a wedding and then immediately dropped food on it. If you won an argument with a friend and then later discovered that they just returned to their original view. Starting over is harder than starting up. If you're not ready for that, like if you've already had a bad day, then what you're about to go through might be too much. Feel free to go away and come back. I'll be here.
Okay. So I imagine that's better.
Thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any point. Just find a safe place to stop and quit the game. Don't worry, I'll save your progress, always. Even your mistakes.
Okay.
This game is a homage to a free game that came out in 2018, Sexy Hiking. The author of that game was Jazuo, a mysterious Czech designer who was known at the time as the father of B games. And B games are rough assemblages of found objects. Designers slap them together very quickly and freely, and they're often too rough and unfriendly to gain much of a following. Woo! They're built more for the joy of building them than as polished products.
Okay. Well, that was woo!
In a certain way, Sexy Hiking is the perfect embodiment of a B game. It's built almost entirely out of found and recycled parts, and it's one of the most unusual and unfriendly games of its time. In it, your task is simply to drag yourself up a mountain with a hammer. And that act of climbing, in the digital world or in real life, has certain essential properties that give the game its flavour. No amount of forward progress is guaranteed. Some cliffs are too sheer or too slippery, and the player is constantly, unremittingly in danger of falling and losing everything.
Ha! Yeah, I saw that with okay, I see why people rage at this game because you barrels! I hate barrels. Yes, yes, I still remember the barrels thing from PewDiePie. Don't judge me. It's the good old times.
Anyway, when you start Sexy Hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game. It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people never got past it.
Oh,
You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your strength, trying to find a way up and over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the correct method or the correct equipment or just by spending enough time. In that sense, every pixelated obstacle in Sexy Hiking is real.
Okay, okay. Slowly put.
You
No!
just lost a lot of progress. That's a deep frustration, a real punch in the gut.
I didn't lose that much progress. Okay, I feel like the music is way too loud. There you go. So, I don't think that was much progress. Just put yourself up. Okay. I see why this game made thousands of people rage. I bet this guy, the creator, or I don't know if it's the guy who's voicing the game. No! Damn it! I bet this guy got a lot of death threats after the release of the game. Like that's a serious thing to wish someone death threats, but think about it. A lot of people are like, I hate this game. I wish the creator would it, but let's not talk about those kind of things. So let's enjoy this game. Okay, I get it. So I have to do big circles. Okay, now okay, I have to wiggle. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Hey, okay. Boom! Andale. Okay, this one is tricky. Let's do this one slow. Slowly. Why is my hand sweating? I'm not even gonna be raging. I'm just gonna be doing weird sounds. Imagine there's... No, I was gonna say something really gross. Okay. Place yourself on top of this. No!
Oof, sorry about that.
Nah, you're good. Oh. Nickelodeon. Stop moving. Okay, calm down. Ooh! Ooh! Yeah, baby! Oh, I made it! That's how you do it. How do people speedrun this game? I saw some What? What did I just say? Ooh! Oh, that was a, oh, you can also boost yourself.
The obstacles in Sexy Hiking are unyielding, and that makes the game uniquely frustrating. But I'm not sure Jazuo intended to make a frustrating game. The frustration is just essential to the act of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about climbing. A funny thing happened to me as I was building this mountain. I'd have an idea for a new obstacle, and I'd build it, test it, and it would usually turn out to be unreasonably hard. But I couldn't bring myself to make it easier. It already felt like my inability to get past a new obstacle was my fault as a player rather than as a builder. Imaginary mountains build themselves from our efforts to climb them, and it's our repeated attempts to reach the summit that turns those mountains into something real.
Yeah. Oh! Ah! Why? What pushed me? Did I push myself? Oh. Yeah, Okay, slowly. Sometimes the key to this game is being slow.
When you're building a video game world,
Jesus.
you're building with ideas.
Yeah.
And that can be like working with quickset cement. You mold your ideas into a certain shape that can be played with. And in the process of playing with them, they begin to harden and set until they're immutable, like rock. And at that point, you can't change the world. Not without breaking it into pieces and starting fresh with new ideas.
Okay, I gotta pull myself. Pull yourself. Okay, this is actually... Oh, this is challenging, because... Or I could just do this. Just quicken it up. Oh, wait, I found it. I gotta push myself. I have the power on this hammer! What are you looking... No, you tricked me. How dare you. Okay, I gotta do a bunny hop. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see the reaction of a Mexican forgetting that he put something to dry outside of the apartment balcony. And this is true in many Mexican households. La ropa! No. That's gonna take a while. Look at my moose. Oh. Kapam! Me too, brother. Oh, I see why people. Okay, I gotta stop doing these sounds. They're getting annoying! No, that's not what I mean to do. Okay, chill. Okay, now slowly. Push yourself! Slowly. Hey. And push. Push and close. Oh, wait. Nah. That wasn't the idea. The idea is to... Yeah. No, that's not what I want you to do. What I want you to do is this! Okay, well, I got myself the idea of what it is! Oh! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Oh no! I almost got it! That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. I have the power of the hammer. Boop! Hiya! Hi! How are you? I'm good.
You've done this part before.
Right.
You know it's possible. Just do what you did the first time.
What? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. The guy cuts me off guard. Here! Okay, okay. What I need you to do is push yourself. Oh, okay. You got the idea. Now, push yourself. Here! Push yourself. Here! Okay. Casi. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now. Okay. Stop. Stop. You got this. Just pull yourself. Ah! How do you do that part? It's possible, yeah. It's just that you gotta. No, what have you done? Wait, what? So all you gotta do is just use your mouse? That's nice. Okay. By the power of the hammer, I... jump! No! Ah! Oh! We got it. Okay, pull yourself. No! Oh, okay. I got it. I know. I don't gotta. You get me. English. And then pull yourself. Okay, push yourself. No. That's not what I want you to do. What I want you to do. Hey. Okay. Oh, gently. Cause I'm. Oh. Andale. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. Eh. Son of a gun on a stick. Okay. I see why this is hard. I see why people rage, because you gotta calculate it, right? I don't know what I just said. I don't know if that was English. I don't care. I mean, I do care, but like, no, you also gotta watch out for the hammer hitting whatever it hits. Okay. I'm gonna be quiet. Oh, okay. There and jump. I like the sounds this guy does. Okay. No, why did you do that? Oh. Oh, stop. You're just pushing yourself. Okay. Now pull yourself. Jump. Aha. Stop. Pull yourself. No, you push yourself. Pull yourself. Okay. By the power of this hammer. Bounce. The wrong way. Oh. You got it. No, you don't. I got it. Okay, careful. No!
Oh, it happened again. Keep on trying. Don't let it get to you.
Ah, shucks. Okay. It's okay. We can do this again. Because we know the trick to this is to jump really high. There, that's the trick. We have to hit it to the tip, so we don't. Oh, hoppa! This is fun. This is like challenging. I don't want to see this as a rage game. I want to see more as a challenge, like for this to test your, banana. Here. Okay. No!
This thing that we call failure is not the falling down, but the staying down. Mary
What?
Pickford.
What? Who's that? Okay. I have water on this. Is that why it's hard for me to control this guy? Cause he has water on whatever that is. Stop. That wasn't the trick. Okay. Here. Damn it. Okay. No! Stop. Good. Okay. Here. Eh. Oh! Boo! Boo! Huh? Carefully. Ah, see? We're back here again. There's no problem. It's not the end of the world. Oh, that was sick! There you go. Eh. Almost. The trick is to, as I said before, is to calmly air. Okay. Now, this part makes you... Can I just do this? Nailed it. Aha. Okay. Now. Ah. Okay. All we gotta do is. Okay. Ha! Ha! Oh! Oh! You saw that! I have the power of the oh my god, somebody stop sleeping! Stop! Woo! Yeah! Hiya! That was awesome. Okay, pull it together, literally. Eh! 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 Am I making mating sounds right now? I think I am. I don't know what I'm sorry to put that image in your head. Eh! 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 Huh? No. Wrong thing. Why are you doing this? No. 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 No, 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 no. Okay, now, slowly pull yourself. Here. There you go. Okay, stop. Oh, pull yourself. Okay. You might wanna.
For years now,
Andale!
people have been predicting that games will soon be made out of prefabricated objects, bought in a store and assembled into a world. And for the most part, that hasn't happened, because the objects in the stores are trash. I don't mean they look bad or that they're badly made, although a lot of them are. I mean they're trash in the way that food becomes trash as soon as you put it in the
Wait,
sink.
that's from...
Things are made to be consumed and used in a
This is
certain
from Gmod.
context.
This is from
And
Gmod.
once the moment is gone, they transform into garbage. In the context of technology, those moments pass by in seconds.
Okay. Oh my god, you saw that? Woo! Ooh, yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! No! Oh! Okay, the ticket. What's up, I'm not raging, I'm just going insane. As this progresses... Okay. We're not speedrunning this. No, how dare you. We're not speed... Oi! It's because it's raining, they don't like the thunders. Okay, just stop! God damn it. Chill! Oh. Man, you gotta get you probably if this was an obstacle course in real life, you would be sweating your body off. Like real exercise right here. The pain of not making it. The pain of the pain of not making it. Okay. Oh!
Over time, we've poured more and more refuge into this
happened?
vast
Oh, I
digital
hit the
landfill that
thingy.
we call the internet. It now vastly outnumbers and outweighs the things that are fresh and untainted and unused. When everything around us is cultural trash, trash becomes the new medium, the lingua franca of the digital age. And you can build culture out of trash. But only trash culture. B games, B movies, B music, B philosophy.
True. Okay, I got the hang of it. Slowly. What was that sound? Oh, why? Why? I did not do it. I'm sorry. I laughed because the subtitle said "going down the road" while I was falling down to my failure. This game is funny. Chill. Okay, now you slowly. Okay, now what do I do here? Just slowly.
Down in the jail on my knees.
I'm gonna go on my knees. Come to me. Oh.
They feed me on cornbread.
They
feed me on
Eh.
cornbread and cheese. They feed me on cornbread and cheese, and I ain't going to be treated this way.
No. Oh, this is easy.
Maybe this is what digital culture is. A monstrous mountain of trash, the ash heap of creativity's fountain. A landfill with everything we ever thought of in it. Grand, infinite, and
Wait, there's
unsorted.
holes there. Okay. Okay. So there's. Do I touch this? Okay. Those are holes, right? Oh God. Oh, push me. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
There's 3D models of breakfast. Gen X's fanfic novels, scan magazines, green screen Shia LaBeouf, banned snuff scenes on LiveLeak. Facebook's got lifelike bots with unbranded adverts and candid shots of Kanye and Taylor Swift mashups, car crash epic failed GIFs, Russian dashcam vids, discussions of McRibs, discarded, forgotten, unrecycled, muddled, rotten, untitled. Everything's fresh for about 6 seconds, until some newer thing beckons, and we hit refresh. And there's years of persevering, disappearing into the pile, out of style, out of sight.
I guess so. I Lord have mercy! Woo! Woo! Wah! Okay, this is fun. I might have to. Waka waka samina good this get it over with better Foddy samina waka waka kid, what the hell are you doing there, kid? Oh no, kid, you messed me up. Okay. No. Oh Lord. Okay, slowly. No. Okay. Oh. Oh! 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 Okay! Oh! Yeah! Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as did recording and editing it. I don't say this much, but like if you like the video if you did. Comment what you thought of the what you think, what you thought of what you thought of the video, and why not subscribe and turn on the notifications button so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I know I don't do that much stuff because I don't know. I want to do a different kind of outro. I don't want to be like the usual outro, but I guess it's typical. This game is addictive. Oh, so yeah, I guess I have to jump in those boxes. Yeah.
In this context, it's tempting to make friendly content that's gentle, that lets you churn through it but not earn it. Why make something demanding if it just gets piled up in the landfill, filed in with the bland things?
Look at these boxes. Does it have the new... What am I supposed to do here? Okay, alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video of Getting Over It or another gameplay. So yeah, take care everybody, drink your veggies, eat your juices, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye! Say bye. Bye! I should not do that because I could fall.